Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade jelly without using any commercial pectin powder. The secret lies in understanding natural pectin, a gelling agent found in many fruits. We'll focus on selecting the right fruits and preparing them to maximize their natural gelling power. This method yields a wonderfully flavorful and authentic jelly. First, select your fruit. Tart apples, grapes, or plums work wonderfully. Wash about 3 pounds of fruit thoroughly, then cut it into 1-inch pieces. Place the fruit in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan with the appropriate amount of water. For example, use 3 3/4 cups of water for apples. Bring this mixture to a rapid boil, then reduce the heat and simmer, stirring and crushing the fruit until it is very soft, which can take 15 to 30 minutes for harder fruits. Once your fruit is soft, it's time to extract the juice. Carefully pour the cooked fruit into a damp jelly bag or several layers of cheesecloth suspended over a large bowl. Allow the juice to drip naturally for at least 2 hours. Resist the urge to squeeze the bag, as this will make your jelly cloudy. Measure your clear fruit juice, then add about 3/4 cup of sugar for every 1 cup of juice. Also, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to aid in gelling and brighten the flavor. Bring your juice, sugar, and lemon mixture to a rapid, rolling boil. The gelling point is typically reached at 220 degrees Fahrenheit, or when a small amount wrinkles on a chilled plate. Once it sets, quickly skim off any foam. Pour the hot jelly into hot, sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Seal with new lids and process in a boiling water canner for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal and safe long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.